Hello viewers and welcome to another session of Beginner's Guide to Autodesk AutoCAD. Like the previous exercise, in this exercise we will create another accessory which are usually used in the kitchen. Most of the times in a layout of a residence or an office, whenever you see a kitchen, we have a kitchen shelf, which is basically a rectangular structure if you see from top. However, it has a slight handle just to show a pictorial representation. For that, I have created a rectangle and exploded it so that each side could be selected individually. Now we will offset the bottom, and now you can see there are two lines in the bottom. Let's turn on the ortho, take a reference line from the base and specify this value. Now we will create a square-like geometry. It will represent the handle of drawers. Now we are using the offset command. Next, we can use an arc which is made by start, end, and an angle. So we specify a start point, we give it an end point, and then we specify an angle. So let's assign this angle. Now we can do the same process to the left side, or we can simply mirror it like this. Now, whenever it comes to a kitchen shelf, you can simply use this block, or you can add it by inserting a block. But for that, you have to save it as a block first. So this was all about this session. See you in the next one. Till then, take care.